Hello, my name is Ann Miner. That's Ann with an E, like Anne of Green Gables, and Miner with an E, like the gold miner. I'm the president of the Dunvegan Group and a customer care and retention specialist. And I wanted to tell you about customer care and our perspective on it. There's just no one-size-fits-all solution. Customers need to be dealt with in a way that is comfortable for them. Now, you may have noticed that there are some people who talk rather quickly and other people who talk at a more moderate pace. Some people who make decisions very rapidly and other people who are more reluctant to make a decision, more cautious about their decision-making process. We've observed that there are four profiles, four communication or interaction profiles. First would be the director. Directors talk quickly, make decisions quickly, they are very much in charge, and they don't want to get bogged down in details. Then we have socializers. Socializers also talk very quickly, but they're more concerned about what's in it for them. And when they get started to talk, they use I more than any other word in their communication. Relators, on the other hand, speak at a more moderate pace. They're very concerned about other people. If you ask them how they are, they'll give you a short answer, letting you know that everything's good in their world, and ask you back, but how are you? And they'll be genuinely concerned to know how you are. Now, thinkers also speak at a moderate pace, but their concern is details, facts, figures, and they are absolutely determined that whatever they do is going to be right. Now, as you can imagine, if you dealt with each of those four profiles in exactly the same way, well, you'd be right some of the time. And the rest of the time, you might turn the communication into something filled with tension. So, the platinum rule, treating other people the way they would like to be treated, when well applied, will allow you to, first of all, know yourself, know and understand your own profile. Which of those behavior patterns are you more inclined to? And then adapt your own style to better fit with the communication style of the people you're dealing with. So if it's a director, you need to speed up. Speak in bullet points, as few words as possible to make your point. If you're speaking to a socializer, they also want you to speak quickly, but it needs to be fun. You need to be enthusiastic and acknowledge and recognize their special traits. With a relator, a more moderate pace is better. And remember that relators will make decisions more slowly. They will seek validation from other people, wanting to be sure that whatever they decide is going to be agreeable to the other people around them. With thinkers, you also need to speak at a more moderate pace. And you need to be prepared to give them the background, the backstory, the details, so that they can draw the conclusion that the details and facts and figures support. I'm sure that you see that we must treat each person as an individual, communicate with them in a manner that is palatable and acceptable and comfortable for them. And if you'd like to know more about the Platinum Rule, please get in touch with me. Again, my name is Ann Miner. That's A-N-N-E. And my email address begins with ANNE.Miner, M-I-N-E-R, at Dunvegan, that's D-U-N-V-E-G-A-N, group, G-R-O-U-P.com.